The readings on the south wall show major cracking. We should prioritize scanning the facade and the roof structure next.
Clear the debris on the left. We need another wheelbarrow over here. We need more slack on this canvas up top.
Yeah.
All right, I'm loosening the tie down here.
Yeah.
Watch the corner, don't scratch the stone. All right, team, send the next load down. Coming down now, watch below. Watch your step up there. All clear on this side, sending more tiles over.
Significant spalling here at the third level column. Confirmed. The laser shows movement at grid line 4. The heritage mix is setting well on this column.
Yeah, the colour match is spot on.
We need to secure that netting around the capital tightly.
Watch the corner, easy now.
Right there.
Right there, let it settle. Set that one right there by the post. Okay, I'm tucking the cable now. Make sure it's flush with the stone. All right, I think that's the right setting.
Right, that's fine.
Looks perfect from here.
Watch your step coming in. All right, set the extractor down here. We need more light down that corridor. Set up the tripod there. All right, watch the floor, it's uneven.
This laser shows the boundary for the new entrance hall. The integrity here is compromised. We need to adjust the ceiling supports based on the revised structural report.
Are we clear on this side?
Yes, pay setting.
Yeah, push it towards me.
Yep.
Almost there, hold the screed steady.
Apply the plaster evenly around the trim. We need more support on the left side scaffolding.
Easy, easy, watch the left side. Holding steady. Little higher now.
This riser is uneven by half an inch. We'll need to sister the joists to level it out.
All right, slide it into place. A little more to the left. Hand me the trowel, let's get this mortar set. Does this piece align with the trim? Almost. Needs to shift slightly to the left. Okay, check the laser line now. This is where the main island plumbing needs to go.
Yep.
Okay, mark it there, about a foot off the center line.
Make sure that edge is completely sealed before we move to the center. Copy that. Sealing now.
All right, move it slightly to the left. Watch the laser line. Coming down slowly. Hold it there, perfect. Watch that hole in the floor. Oh. Okay, lift it high. That's right. All right, slowly lower it now. Watch your fingers. Is that smooth enough for the backing?
Almost, just need to feather this edge by the fireplace.
Yeah. How does the trim look over here? Where do you want this sample panel? Set it down by the fireplace so we can compare the grain. And check the ceiling above it. Those cracks look deep.
Make sure these channels align for the LED strips. Got it. Are you set up there? Almost. Just need to mount this ceiling support.
I've marked the tub placement here.
Okay, I finished the vanity layout. We should probably move the shower access over there.
Slide it forward slowly. Careful with the pipes. Hand me the level. It needs to come up on the right.